Hello, welcome back to VJ Tech Talks. In the last video, we learned how to bring in all the tables at once and specific number of tables at once. With the help of data pipelines, in today's session, we will try to learn and bring in an Excel source from on-premises to load into Lakehouse. Let's get started. Here we have high volume and low volume. Last sessions I have already explained what is high volume and low volume. If you are not familiar with this, how to build this pipeline, I would strongly recommend you to watch my previous videos. I will leave the link in the video description. In the high volume, if you look at here, we are bringing from the on-premises SQL Server. Quickly review. Here we go. We have a data pipeline. Through the data pipeline, we are connecting on-premises, and from there just we are loading data into our branch Lakehouse. You look at the low volume, I have already created a data flow. We can do it one more time. I will delete this one. Click on new item. Then data flow gen 2, you can say on-prem. Excel source. Load. Create. Here we go. You can click on import from Excel. One way to bring these files from the SharePoint somewhere else in the cloud. I mean from cloud resources. If not, what you can do is click on upload. We will have an option to bring in, but basically I don't have a sufficient privileges to connect to my on-premises. I mean OneDrive doesn't have sufficient privileges to bring the data from on-premises. So that's the reason it is not allowing me. Just do one thing. Here if you click on upload and browse, Excel source directly. This will uploading to drive. If you have a sufficient privileges and the license version of Office 365, try from your, if you have any doubts, leave a comment in this video. I will help you out. Next. For now, I am not loading anything. I will close this. Now you have a data, right? Just click on branch, Lakehouse. Here we have a list of tables which we have loaded in the previous sessions. If you haven't watched my previous videos, I strongly recommend you to go and check my VJ Tech Talk under the playlist Fabric. And what you can click on SQL Analytics. Here we go. If you would like to query the data, DBO objects and click on tables. We have many tables, right? So new query, just select top 100. See here we have a data, everything is ready. Let's think of someone would like to query from SSMS tool and from my on-premises. Is it possible or not? Yes, it is possible. What you can do is click on SQL endpoint, copy this, open your SSMS, on-premises, in fact anywhere. Data engine, just replace this. See, there are different options for SQL authentication, Windows authentication and Microsoft MFA. I'm using a Microsoft MFA. Email ID which I use to log into my Fabric workspace. Just click on connect. That's all. This is connected here. If you look at here, see the bronze layer. Under the bronze layer will see all the tables. We have a list of tables. Make sense? So that's all for today. In the next session, so far we have extracted the data from the different sources. Just we prepared the bronze layer. In the next session, what we can do is we will do some transformations and cleansing activities on top of these tables. We'll try to prepare a silver layer. So far, we haven't prepared anything for silver layer. See you next episode. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for latest updates. See you. Bye bye.